Imagine this. You work tirelessly, day in and day out, striving to build a comfortable life for yourself and your loved ones. You dream of financial freedom, yet there's a silent culprit stealthily draining your hard-earned money without you even realizing it. Welcome to the world of hidden expenses, where the true #1 wealth killer lies. Buckle up as we unveil the astonishing truth behind a seemingly innocuous aspect of our lives: transportation. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're all about providing valuable content to help you improve your financial literacy and achieve your goals. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, and you'll also be supporting our channel. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let's get started. Segment number 1. The illusion of status. In a world where perception often shapes reality, the allure of status holds a powerful sway. The pursuit of status is evident in various facets of our lives, none more pronounced than our choice of transportation. The gleam of a luxurious car, with its polished curves and opulent interior, whispers promises of success and prestige. However, beneath this shimmering surface lies an insidious truth that often goes unnoticed. The illusion of status comes at a staggering financial cost. Society's preoccupation with flaunting material wealth has led many to invest in high-end vehicles, considering them more than just modes of transport. Yet, this pursuit often proves to be a double-edged sword. The moment a brand new car leaves the dealership, its value begins an inexorable descent. The aspiration for status transforms into a relentless depreciation, eroding the initial investment. The resources poured into these vehicles could otherwise be channeled into appreciating assets, which pave the way toward genuine financial growth. As we delve deeper into the realm of transportation expenditures, it becomes evident that the pursuit of status can blind us to the subtler, yet more impactful, financial decisions we make. Through a closer examination of this intriguing paradox, we unravel the hidden dimensions of the #1 wealth killer, the exorbitant cost of maintaining an illusory status. Segment number 2. The commuting conundrum. Every morning, a vast population embarks on a journey that seems innocuous, a commute to work. Yet, within this seemingly routine act, lies a financial labyrinth that silently drains our resources. The commuting conundrum extends beyond the mere act of getting from point A to point B. It involves a complex interplay of costs that often elude our conscious consideration. The visible costs of commuting, such as fuel expenses, tolls, and public transportation fares, are just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface lies an intricate web of financial implications: wear and tear on vehicles, maintenance, insurance premiums, and perhaps most insidiously, the precious time lost in traffic jams. These hidden costs accumulate, stealthily eroding our financial reserves and obstructing our journey toward economic stability. It's a paradoxical scenario. The pursuit of economic opportunity necessitates a daily commute, yet that very commute can become a financial liability. As we analyze the intricacies of the commuting conundrum, we unearth a critical truth. The act of commuting carries far-reaching consequences that demand our attention. By delving into the unseen layers of this complex issue, we pave the way for more informed choices and a clearer path toward preserving our financial well-being. Segment number 3. The alternative options. Amid the complexities of modern transportation lies a realm of alternatives that promise not only economic relief, but also a sustainable future. The undeniable allure of private vehicles often blinds us to the multitude of options available, each with its own unique benefits. Exploring these alternative avenues unveils a world where financial wellness and environmental consciousness converge. Public transportation emerges as a pragmatic solution to the commuting conundrum. Beyond its cost-effectiveness, it alleviates traffic congestion, reduces carbon emissions, and offers valuable time for personal pursuits. Embracing modes like cycling and walking not only slashes transportation expenses, but also nurtures a healthier lifestyle. The advent of ride-sharing and carpooling introduces the concept of cost-sharing, minimizing individual financial burdens while fostering a sense of community. Furthermore, the rapid evolution of electric and hybrid vehicles aligns transportation with sustainability goals, lowering long-term costs through reduced fuel consumption and maintenance. By delving into the realm of alternative options, we unravel a tapestry of possibilities that can reshape our relationship with transportation. This paradigm shift, from conspicuous consumption to mindful mobility, not only empowers us to navigate the financial maze more adeptly, but also heralds a brighter future for our planet. Segment number 4. The road to financial freedom. On the journey to financial freedom, the roads we choose can make all the difference. Amidst the clutter of expenses, the allure of status, and the hidden costs of transportation, lies a transformative path that leads to genuine prosperity. By reframing our perspective and making astute choices, we can redirect our resources towards assets that appreciate, paving the way for long-term financial security. In the pursuit of wealth, it's crucial to recognize that true value lies not in fleeting symbols of status, but in assets that grow over time. Channeling resources away from extravagant vehicles and excessive commuting costs allows us to invest in education, real estate, stocks, and other avenues that accumulate value. This shift from short-term indulgence to long-term gain fundamentally alters our financial trajectory. With the guidance of financial advisors and strategic planning, we can dismantle the obstacles that obstruct our path to financial freedom. It's a journey that requires a blend of knowledge, discipline, and a willingness to challenge societal norms. As we navigate this transformative route, we liberate ourselves from the clutches of the number one wealth killer, forging a trail towards financial empowerment, stability, and ultimately, the freedom to live life on our terms. Segment number 5. Breaking the cycle. In a world permeated by consumerism and societal pressures, breaking free from the cycle of wasteful spending is an act of empowerment. By challenging norms and embracing conscious choices, we can transcend the grip of the number one wealth killer and redefine the trajectory of our financial lives. The cycle begins with a realization. The pursuit of material possessions for the sake of appearances holds little intrinsic value. It's a manufactured illusion that perpetuates a cycle of overspending, leading to financial strain and missed opportunities for genuine growth. Breaking this cycle requires a shift in mindset, a shift towards aligning our expenses with our aspirations. We learn to differentiate between fleeting wants and enduring needs, directing resources towards endeavors that nurture personal development, security, and experiences that truly enrich our lives. Embracing a mindful approach to spending involves understanding the impact of each financial decision. It means considering the long-term repercussions and valuing the potential of investments over instant gratification. As we make deliberate choices, we lay the foundation for a future brimming with financial freedom, resilience, and the ability to make a meaningful impact. A future where our wealth works for us, rather than against us. In conclusion, the next time you're tempted by that shiny new car or the convenience of a gas-guzzling commute, pause and consider the long-term consequences. The true number one wealth killer might be closer than you think. It's time to drive towards financial empowerment, one conscious decision at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content like this. Your support is greatly appreciated.